Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. In this video, I would like to tell you how to drink according to Islamic Sunnah. When we want to drink, there are 7 steps that we must pay attention to. The first is, take a clean glass and fill it with water according to your requirement. This is a clean glass and water. And then, before drinking, don't forget to recite Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful. And the third, drink water with the right hand. And the fourth, sit down and drink water. Don't stand up. And then the fifth, drink water while taking 3 breathing poses. And the sixth, while drinking water, do not blow or exhale your breath into your glass. And then the last is, don't forget to recite Alhamdulillah after drinking. So the first is, we should take a clean glass and fill it with water according to your requirement. Then recite Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And don't forget, you don't breathe or you don't exhale your breath into the glass. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Three breathing poses. And the last, recite Alhamdulillah after drinking. Thank you so much for watching this video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.